get information from us on the recent occurrence of maternal death, which we had on 11th this month around 4:45 a.m. in the morning. And as Nyanjwa Advanced Mission Hospital, on behalf of management and governance, Davidson Robert Sobolo, the medical director of the hospital, and we would like you to release our press statement in written form, of which we will look at it and then press your views to the public. We want to acknowledge that you are here today to verify and confirm that this is Nyanjwa Advanced Mission Hospital, where the maternal death occurred. We wish also to state that when such incidents occur, we have government procedure through the Ministry of Health on how they handle it. And as we speak here today, the Ministry of Health, through this maternal health committee, through the sub-county and the county, they have made their way here and they have made their report. Therefore, we want to first say and wish to pass our heartfelt condolences to the family for the unexpected demise of their loved one, and we pray that God will grant them courage to endure the loss and be with them during these trying moments. We also extend our condolences to Kisii New Life Church, for they have lost one of their foot soldiers in the field of evangelism. Second, we wish to bring to your attention of the public that Nyanjwa Advanced Mission Hospital operates as a level 4 hospital within the laid down regulations and the guidelines from the Ministry of Health. We wish to state that we handle our clients and patients within the framework of the Ministry of Health, and in the event an incident like this has occurred, we have relevant government authorities who have handled the process of the same maternal audit. That we want to confirm here that Nyanjwa Advanced Mission Hospital engages fully qualified professionals who attend to our clients and patients at any given time, and therefore the rumors going around in social media that we have unqualified staff attending to our patients is totally regrettable, misplaced, misleading, and spoken out of a lot of ignorance. Note that healthcare industry, unlike other industries out there, it is highly regulated, and therefore there are no loopholes when it comes to our services and the personnel levels. We want to assure the public to ignore any unsubstantiated information from unreliable sources and have confidence that all who seek our services are assured of quality services from our able, dedicated staff. We appeal to those who have interest in this occurrence to be patient and await final report from County Maternal Audit Team, which has already done the audit. We wish to thank our clients and patients who believe in us, and as a Christian healthcare institution, we value life of everyone who come to seek our services. Note, we treat, God heals. With thanks, and on behalf of Nyanjwa Advanced Mission Hospital Management and the Governance, this is the Medical Director, Davidson Probas Oboni. So that's our statement, and we will want to make your